What if I told you that there is something you can grow at home that could make you thousands of dollars, that will impress all your visitors, and that will not land you in jail? What could it be?
It's coral! This stuff!
Yes, this stuff. It comes in many colors, shapes, and sizes and can be grown in your aquarium at home. Corals are hard to grow. That's why this stuff is expensive. Small changes in temperatures in your reef aquarium could wipe out everything in 1 hour. But if you take care of your reef aquarium, temperature, salinity, and nutrients, these plants will grow. Plants? What plants? Corals are not plants, they're animals. And unlike your dog,
I love my dog.
these animals can live for thousands of years and produce coral that could go for thousands of dollars. That's almost a Bitcoin. So the next time you're looking for a legal hobby,
Try coral! That's 1 minute! See you tomorrow!
YouTube, if you like this video, then I think you're gonna love NAS Academy. It's a new online school we just started to give you a voice. Yes, making videos has given me a voice. And with this voice, you can reach millions of people on the internet. Tell them stories that you care about and actually change their opinion. This skill of making videos changed my life, and I think it can change yours.